Shwmae pawb, hello everybody, croeso nôl I Welshbloke Walking. Welcome back to Welshbloke Walking. Well, today I'm far off the beaten track. I'm not in North Wales, I'm in South Wales, not far from Tenby. And today I thought I'd take you for a walk between a little coastal village called Maen O'r Byr and another place called Lydstep, which has probably the poshest caravan park or mobile homes park I have ever seen in my life. I doubt I could afford to park there, never mind live there. But between those 2 points is some of the most stunning coastal scenery I have ever seen. So I thought I'd go there today and take you along. Barod? Ready? Tyd ymlaen. Maen O'r Byr, despite being a tiny village, has its own lovely castle, which you can see here in the background. I'm making my way down to the beach, which is where we will begin our walk. Even on the short walk to the beach, we pass a pleasant variety of wildflowers. In no time at all, we reach the beach. And what a nice beach it is. And even these sandy hills have their own little flower display to show us. At the far end of the beach is a set of steps, which announce the beginning of our walk. The tide seems to be far, far out today. So it's a bit of a trek even for a paddle. This interesting arrangement of stones is actually a Neolithic burial chamber, or a cromlech. The capstone, which measures 13 feet by 8 feet, is nicknamed the King's Quoit. The path continues to rise, and on reaching the far edge, we are rewarded with this fine view of the beach. The edge becomes ever more craggier as we progress. And signs appear warning us about the dangers of falling into rock fissures, like this one. But if you are a fan of fissures, then there's plenty more to come. As we can see, the coast is really flexing its cragginess now. And here's another one for you fisher fans out there. They just keep coming, don't they? Being Welsh, I'm partial to a bit of heather. And this walk certainly doesn't disappoint. And now, back to the rocks. And back to the fishers. The land beyond the far ridge there is owned by the military. So our path will take us over the golden meadow there on the hilltop. Another thing this walk is not short of is beautiful secluded beaches. So if you like having the beach to yourself, then this is the place for you. Now for the golden meadow. And there in the background you can see the military base. The path carefully skirts the military property. Well, we can't say we weren't warned, can we? I deliberately didn't film the gatehouse you can see in the background because, well, they can arrest you for things like that. Judging from the tarmac and concrete, this was once part of the military base. But it soon fades into heathland again. Here's an interesting little channel. It looks like it's shaved into the undergrowth. Oh hello, what's that? Only one way to find out. It just seems to be a huge way marker. But while we're here, just take a look at this. This also seems to be a great place to find sloes. Sloe gin, anybody? Fisher fans will have noticed there is a huge one here. But it's more than just a fisher. The island in the background is Caldy Island, owned by monks who make chocolate. Our path now takes us alongside the final fisher of the day. And then up some steps. Lots of steps. Lots and lots and lots of steps. Yeah. Ah well. Was it Lao Tzu who said that the longest journey begins with the first step?
One eternity later.
That was hard. That huge caravan park at Lydstep is now somewhere below us. Signalling our journey's end. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, why not drop a thumbs up? And if you could share it on your social medias, that would be anhygoel. Amazing. Well, hwyl fawr I chi, and right now I need to find a bus home. This way? Perhaps? So my pawb, hello everybody, croeso nôl I Welshbloke Walking, welcome back to Welshbloke Walking. Well, today we are far off the beaten path. Far off the beaten path. Do you know, I'll start again. Croeso nôl I Welshbloke Walking, welcome back to Welshbloke Walking. Well, today we are far off the beaten path because we're way away from North Wales. We're actually in South Wales, not far from